Okay, welcome back to the New York session. So far today we're doing good. Made some profits already, almost 1% in one day. Actually, a little bit more than 1%. Anyway, let's look at what we're dealing with, right? So the morning session we shorted euro, which took me out break even with the second portion, but with two portions we made profit, and that's it. Okay, dollar index hopefully looking to go higher, which is great. Now let's look at gold. We have buy side up there still. So far it looks like it wants to take it out. I'm not sure what to do with it as of yet. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart. So I don't know. No idea. Definitely looks like it wants to take it. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Reprice this fair value gap right here, which is good. Started to reprice it on the hourly close. Went up, then it wants to go back down, so I'm afraid to jump in. And euro dollar, well, this was the morning trade. Let me delete that. All right, and as this one as well. This was the short trade in the morning. Nice, very good. So far, euro dollar didn't really clear out liquidity that's strong on these levels, but you know, hopefully it will go further down. The problem is, even if it would form a short structure, I would be afraid to go short. Actually, I would be really scared to go short. It's not much of a liquidity grab here, or sweep, sorry. Let's check pound. Now pound is much more interesting. If we zoom out to the 1 hour, actually the 4 hour, there is a 4 hour bullish order block. Mid threshold could be a good target. Also, the daily order block on pound, look at that. Could be definitely bearish, which means that the dollar index right here would definitely should go higher. I would consider to take short on the euro dollar. So let's jump back here. If we get a real nice textbook entry on the 5-minute, we are around the midnight open price range. We're gonna be look for that. We're gonna be on the lookout for that. So all the trades which I journal are gonna be in the Discord group with some practicals of how you can directly copy it to your account if you're interested, and it would be great for everyone. So the journal will be transparent as much as it can be. Look at that pound. Yeah, I'm not looking to go below the 5-minute right now. For me, it just, you know, doesn't look good. Now, the euro is interesting. Tempted to take it, but as long as we don't get a nice reaction on the dollar index, it's just not worth it, you know. All right, that's it. We hovered over everything. My daily analysis, you can find it in the beginning of the London stream if you're curious of what I'm looking for. On gold, I do see buy side liquidity up there. This is the hourly gold chart. Otherwise, we have sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity like as previous day high. I wouldn't jump into anything right now on gold. So we're waiting. We are just waiting. Pound definitely wants to take out last week, aka last trading day, Friday's low. Could be a liquidity run. How far is that? 10 pips. Broke below 27 here. It's not accurate. These levels are not that accurate right now, but you know. 26.86 level is last week's low. Very strong sell side liquidity level. Right here. Just inside that bullish order block. I would be tempted to take it. I mean, for a scalp. I'm not taking it, of course. If someone wants to scalp, you know, there's a target down there. Let's check it. No entry anyway, so. Okay, euro dollar. Euro dollar, we have buy side right there. Let me just put something here. There's buy side. Let me change the color. All right, so that's buy side right there. Not too far, only 6 pips away. It would be definitely better to go short if it breaks above that. We still have a range from last Friday to be repriced, so I'm looking for that. So that's it, what we're looking for. These are the targets. Waiting for these levels to be broken, and then we will look for some entries. Otherwise, we had a profitable session. As you can see, these 3 trades have been taken. Yeah, so far with net 900, almost $900 profit. But yeah, this was pound dollar. I cut it early because it should have been a bigger stop loss. These 2 trades, no, sorry, yeah, these 2 trades were euro dollar. Some nice ones. So this was today. You can check it in the London stream. Otherwise, that's it. Let's go back to trading view. All right. Still waiting. Still waiting. So don't worry, guys. We're not jumping into anything. We're just gonna sit around and, you know, wait. That's what we do. Oops. So we're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. Pound looking to go lower. Sell side right there. No entry for me. Even if I go down to the 1 minute, I'm not taking any entry here. If you want to scalp it, it's your choice. It's not far. It's actually 14 pips. I think it's gonna do it. I'm not taking any trades here. No trades for me, guys. Just waiting. Overall on pound, just saying, there's a 4-hour bullish order block right here in this range. I will be looking for possible long entries inside this area. Also on the daily, we have a daily bullish order block as well. If it goes down here, I will be doing the same. So looking for some possible entries. We still have a monthly imbalance right up there. So on the long term, I'm bullish on pound and bullish on euro. That's it. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to adapt to the situation if it would go down deeper. But in these zones, especially in the 4-hour zone right here, I will be looking for buys, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. Look at that. It's tanking. It's gonna take out that low from last Friday London session low. It's gonna take it out. We have no entry, by the way. I'm not taking any entries. This is the 1-minute. You could have entered here. I mean, right there. But it's not my cup of tea. The problem is that we're still so close to this round number. I don't really like round numbers when there's a liquidity run. It slows down the momentum quite much. So I'm not taking it. Oh, look at that. Should have taken it. Should have taken. It's gonna take out 86. 86 is gonna be taken out. We'll be watching. So if you would have entered right there in that area, you should be in a nice profit by now. Oh, 10 pips at least. It's gonna take it out, that's for sure. That's last week low, 26.86. Less than 6 pips away. Andrew! I will venture a single remark take. What? A single remark take gifts on my page. What does that mean? Andrew. Okay. But thanks for popping by anyway to the stream. Okay, now it's yeah, it's retesting maybe the 27 level. Not jumping into anything. Hopefully euro dollar will take that buy side and then we can go short if we want to. So right now we're not doing anything crazy. We're just waiting. This is the waiting game, guys. Waiting for euro to take out that high. And pound is interesting. But actually it took out some sell side, so I have to be careful here. Pound. Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see what we get. So we're just waiting. Okay, still waiting, still waiting. Okay, let's look at what's happening on the 1 minute. Nothing serious. All right. Or on gold. Nothing is happening, guys. Still waiting. Still the waiting game, guys. That's what we're doing. Still the waiting game. Okay. Euro is getting ready for a setup here. Not taking anything until it's not showing us a nice short entry. Gold is coming, I mean, pound is coming back. Gold, still nothing. Raul, hey there.
Speakers.
It's for Raul. What I'm looking, I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking for on EU. Don't forget to drop a like, of course. What I'm looking for is actually a break of this buy side liquidity right here on this line. So I'm looking for this, then a structure break, and then this. This is what I'm looking for. And, you know, somewhere maybe a fair value gap. That is what I'm looking for on EU. So that's my scenario. On pound, I can tell you exactly what I'm looking for. Just a little small update for everyone. We have sell side right there. Last week's low. This is a 4-hour bullish order block down here. This is the 4-hour pound chart. And so what I would be looking for on pound is this. And somewhere along the way, a fair value gap. That is what I'm looking for on pound. And this is what I'm looking at euro. On gold, I have no idea what I'm looking for. I guess on gold, my plan. This is what I'm looking for on gold. Yeah, visualizing stuff like this is great. So that's what I'm looking for. Sorry, not this. This. So that's gold. That's EU. That is what I'm looking for. We're taking out buy side right now. And on pound, I have no idea what the hell it wants to do. I hope it goes down to last week's low and then continue to drive up. Okay, euro took out buy side. That's great. That's great. Let's see how it goes. But I'm on the 5 minute, and I just made a small decision. I'm gonna be ignoring the 1 minute chart for a little while because many of my losses occurred last week because of the 1 minute chart. I have to calibrate my brain, and I had much more success with the 5 and the 15 minute entries. So I'm looking this on the 5 minute. But that's it so far. If euro wants to go higher, it still has some range to reprice until 19 or 0920, sorry. 0920. We're gonna be waiting for that. So around this level right there. We'll see. But so far that's all. So far that's all. I'm not touching gold on these levels. Maybe, but that's a big maybe if it would go up sharply on the 5 minute with the fair value gap, I would jump into a low resistance liquidity run to take out buy side. Otherwise, nothing. That is all. So just waiting. That's what we do. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. Oh damn. So that's what we're looking at right now. Definitely my favorite would be euro right now because it looks more clean. Just waiting. Anyway, nothing extra to look at right now, especially not on the 5 minute. Waiting on euro, waiting on gold. This is my analysis, but no setup. So guys, you can see it, what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm aiming for. And if you would like to see more action, there's nothing to see here for now. Gold is basically at one place. It should be coming up into resistance around 90920. But that's a place of resistance up there. Just saying. Just saying. Hey, KRK Trading. Nice to see you. Servus, üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian traders. How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing fine. Yeah, nothing else to see. The only thing I'm curious right now is if euro gonna go dive deeper or not, because there is resistance up there at 0920. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But nothing else, nothing else. Push the like button, guys. I need some support and love. So push that like button, please. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. So that's what we're... Otherwise, I don't really have any other setup right now. Nothing is moving. Pound is going up. Pound is going up. Let me see pound. This is pound. So pound is moving up, but nothing extra on the chart here. If someone wants to go short, maybe on the 30-minute, 1 hour, no, not really. You can do it, but I'm not gonna do it. On this fair value gap right here on pound, to get inside that 4-hour bullish order block, which is down here in this area below 26.93, but I'm not doing that. Looks like euro wants to reprice this imbalance, which is great, and then maybe we will see some form of displacement to the downside. But nothing extra. Okay. Still waiting. Nothing to see, nothing to say. Unfortunately, I wish I could tell you something. The gold is not doing anything. I would like to see it take out buy side up there above 1937. So far it's nothing. Euro might be turning down, hopefully. And pound, I have no idea what the hell it wants to do. But that's it. This is trading for you. Oh yeah, well, unfortunately I failed. It was really like, actually, let me check it. Let me log into my dashboard just a sec. If I can, you know, it's really interesting. I think I showed this on the video as well. So I'm definitely not giving up. Yeah, I'm definitely not. Actually, you know, this here until this time, it was sound risk management. It was very good risk management and discipline. Emotional turmoil here. Perfect risk management. Managed to take the account back to base capital. As you can see, I was back to 25k after a downfall like this. I mean, I was proud of myself, and I think I explained it in the video. I took an unnecessary loss on Friday, which was partially a mistake. And then I started revenge trading. If the algorithm wouldn't see it, maybe I would have survived it because I closed it down a little bit below the threshold, but I think the equity went below a little bit of that. But you know, yeah, it's a mental game. It is a mental game. I'm not giving up, so definitely not giving up. Actually, it gave me much more strength and power and much more, how should I say, perspective in terms of goals and rules. So that's one for the book. That's for sure. That's for sure. Not giving up, and it's strongly advised to anyone who fails challenges that take it as a lesson. It was not my last blown account, and I'm sure there will be some other blown challenge accounts. And definitely it wasn't my first. I blown a few. Interesting to compare. I'm not really gonna share the details with my private account here on YouTube, but on my private account it has some ups and downs, but overall the equity curve is going up. So I trade differently on my own private account when there are no limits or no rules. But I think I just wanted to prove on YouTube that, hey, I can do it much faster than the others. So I was the problem all the time in these mental breakdowns which I had. But I could have just walked away again on Friday with a small loss. I could have just walked away, but I didn't. Interesting that the mind is such a crazy thing, you know. It plays tricks on you. And it's also amazing, I think, in a way. Yeah. Finished up. Solitary. Not much to do, by the way. That's why I'm playing some cards. Should play poker, right? It is what it is, you know, guys. So we're still waiting. Oops, sorry. We are waiting for gold. Oh, look at pound. It actually took off. It did slightly poked into some sell side, but still not enough for a structure break, in my opinion. So we're still waiting. Still waiting. This is what it's all about. The waiting. Dollar index went lower. I would like to see dollar index go up. We have some order blocks. Oops. Oh, wow. I didn't meant to do this. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway. I wanted to minimize it, you know. Playing 8 balls here. Yeah. Still loading. But nothing happening still. Oh, Jesus. I don't want to... How can I put it to... Anyway. Whatever. Let's exit. I don't want to destroy the stream. Who cares? Alright, let's go back to the charts. So, I wanted to play 8 ball so much. I love that game. So let's wait. Fine. So everything is still the same, nothing to do. No setups. I'm gonna grab a drink maybe, I don't know. Not much to do here. My best bet would be to go short on euro, but let's see. By the way, I'm looking to put the stream trades to a Discord server. So now those trades are definitely much better than which I took upstream on the challenge account. These trades should be the ones that I should. I mean, how to tell this? These trades would be the ones, should be the ones that I follow and not do over trading on these challenge accounts. And so I have to build up more discipline in that direction. Still, the journal trades are looking good. We're up 3%, but last month we ended up 10%. So hopefully we can put some extra profit this week there. Not the best month for sure. I think February was bad, like with 6%. So we might end up below that. Anyway, on the euro, this is what I'm looking for. If someone just joining, and please guys, can you push the like button? Thank you very much. So this is what I'm looking for on euro, and this is what I'm looking for on pound. Pound bounced up at this level, just poked into a little bit sell side. I don't know what it wants to do. I think it might drop down from here. On gold, we have buy side from yesterday, I mean last week's Friday high. So that is buy side for me. We're waiting for that. Otherwise, there's nothing else. Dollar index would be great to see it go up. I'm bullish on the dollar index for now, especially because it took out some liquidity and, you know, some bearish order blocks up here on the 1 hour. You can check it. So for now, that's what I'm looking at, but no trades so far this morning. Managed to make 1, 2, 3 trades. There was a negative but 2 positive trades, so we're okay, we're fine. It's a challenge account, by the way. I'm gonna dedicate a new challenge account to the stream. I don't want to do the 100k challenge on stream. But I still have to decide. All right, I'm gonna grab a drink because there's nothing moving. All right. So on GU, you're looking for London High sweep. Mm-hmm. Bearish. Yeah, it can happen. I'm looking for the sweep of the sell side from last week, because this is last week low to the 2686 level. For me, it looks like a possible liquidity area down there. So let's just see. You know, there was a fair value gap right here. Maybe this would be enough for it to drop down. If not, then it will be the thing that you said. It will swipe some buy side maybe, or sweep. Sorry, not swipe, sweep some liquidity. EU, this is the 0920 is the range for this imbalance on the 5 minute, also on the 15 minute. So we'll see what EU wants to do here. It repriced this range. It can go higher, somewhere around 26, 29-ish. And from that point, you know, anything can happen. Took out this buy side, which is great. Now I'm just waiting for it to, you know, crash down. And maybe give us a nice fair value gap somewhere. You know, that's what I'm waiting for. And gold is basically nothing. So we are just waiting. So let's continue to wait. Looks like GU wants to go higher. Let's look at dollar index wants to go lower. Let's check the dollar index on a higher perspective. It made a market structure shift on the daily. So if you look at the daily dollar index, you can clearly see that it has made a structure shift here, which is great. So I thought that, you know, even if it wants to come back down here, maybe it should stop somewhere here, then continue up. So yeah. That's interesting. Let's go back to EU, GU, and gold. Nothing is moving, guys, so far. No major news. I can check one more thing, by the way. Oh yeah, look at that. EU. Oh, later. This is market sentiment for retail traders registered on my FX book, which is of course just representative, it's just a glimpse, but still can give you some kind of an outlook. Traders are neutral on EU and almost on GU as well, so pretty much no man's land. Now look at dollar CAD, for example. Everyone is going long, and GJ, everybody's going short. That's interesting. Let's look at gold. Gold is almost neutral as well. So it's a typical Monday. Nothing really major is going on. Anything can play out here. It's the waiting game, guys. It's the waiting game. Market's opening in 10 minutes. Oh, I don't want it to start like this. How do I... How do I get this to a smaller screen? I don't want it to... Damn it. Damn it. I thought that I can hold it on the other screen, but it's full screen. Or maybe I can run it in a small window. But I can't. All right, so still this is what I'm waiting for. If this is not what happens, then it's gonna be what KRK says, so up here, then go down, right? So one of these scenarios. But we'll see. EU, I'm still waiting for this move. We can go all the way up to 27, so that's not a problem if it spikes up a little bit more. Gold is basically doing nothing. So we're still waiting. Oh, I can play online. Cool, man. Oh my god, this is too loud. Nice. Okay, that's stripes. Nice. Can I put this somewhere there? Nice. Still have to wait for it. Oh no. Almost. All right. Oh. Almost made it. I was lucky there. Okay. I'm sorry guys, but there's nothing to do basically. Absolutely nothing to do. This is super boring session, but we're gonna stick it out, right? That's it. Okay, so let's just wait. Sorry guys, sorry, I was having my usual phone calls. But there's nothing to do here. These are my scenarios for euro. For gold, maybe. You know, previous day high, which is Friday. Igen, szándékosan, mert telefonáltam. So I don't see anything. So I don't see anything. No idea where it wants to go. We have relative equal highs here. I'm not entering a long position. I'm not entering a long position only if it makes a nice displacement to the upside. Only then, but that's a big if. By the way, since we are going into the New York Open soon, I'm just gonna check out what Nasdaq is doing and S&P as well. But they're doing nothing. It's very short block here on Nasdaq. Yeah, this triangle is getting smaller and tighter. I don't know what it wants to do. Here, no idea about Nasdaq. Same on S&P. Hard to trade these, especially on MetaTrader brokers. All right, that's it. I was just checking these. It's gonna be more interesting after stock exchange open. On the 1 minute, it's getting ready for a nice short on EU. Not entering, just saying. If you guys want to try with a nice short, you know, it's getting together. I have a feeling that pound wants to go down now that it repriced this fair value gap right here. Took some liquidity, repriced it, and now it wants to go down and take out sell side down there. That's just a feeling. I have no setup for it. Euro almost ready for a nice short on the 1 minute. I'm not going to take a 1 minute short. I'm gonna wait for a nice strong displacement on these pairs. Okay, gold may want to go up and take out Friday high. Yeah, may want to do that. Oh man, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Shouldn't be sitting here when I'm so tired like this. That's why I'm sticking to the 5 minute at least. I'm not going lower in time frames right now. Didn't sleep too well. So we're waiting. Still waiting. It's a waiting game. I would definitely want to take much less trades. That's a big decision and takes more discipline from my side. And one step which can help me to conclude with that decision is not to take trades on the 1 minute chart. Actually, I went over my trades, the failure ones most likely, which I lost, and you know, I was losing much more in the 1 minute chart. So I have to concentrate on those charts where I'm good at, which is the 5 and the 15-minute chart. So I'm gonna leave, after last week, I'm definitely going to leave the 1 minute chart alone. Gonna be focusing on the 5 minute, feeling much more confident, and it's gonna filter down my trade setup. So I'm gonna be taking much less trades from now on. It's one step forward, hopefully not 2 steps back. So that's what I'm aiming for. Last week was a big lesson, and really on the weekend I went through a lot of these trades, and I do have to let go the 1 minute chart. I have to, especially on forex pairs. On forex, let it be GU or EU, it's you know, it's harder. Okay. Also, if we see a nice displacement to the downside on GU, for example, breaking this swing low, then I think we can say that we have a potential target for a sell side with a nice liquidity run as a low-hanging fruit. Might be good for a short. Although I don't know where we are on the 1 hour. Well, it's fine. It's fine. We can go down there. So sorry. We're just gonna go and wait some more. We're just gonna wait. Dollar index is still going lower. There's a bearish order block 1 hour here on the dollar index. On Friday, price reacted to it. Then on the daily, it broke market structure. Today, it'd be interesting to see what happens from here. Nasdaq. I should just, because I have US 100. There. I'm gonna be watching that as well at New York Open. You know, just to see the whole picture. We still have a sell side here. Alright. So nothing. Doesn't matter how much I click, nothing's gonna happen. So instead, you can click on the like button to support the stream. Thank you so much. If you can, that support would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. And, you know, sub to the channel. There's going to be some real nice things coming on. And, you know, the trading journal trades, which is not good this month. Last month was over 10%. April, we made 16. March, 12. February, 6. January, 10. Now, these are going to go to a Discord server as kind of a signal. If you guys want to take it, you can check it out later inside my membership. So if you want to support, you can check my Patreon page at pip.ninja, or my blog. There's going to be some updates, so stick with me. But that's all I can say for now. These are the scenarios, what I'm looking for. Not much happening, guys. Not much happening. The only thing that's going on here is GU. You know, that's the only thing that's going on right now. If it wants to, you know, tank lower. But we are very much in the beginning of the moves. Okay, now it's making a nice down close candle with a structure break. GU. Here you can see last week's low on this white line, which is actually Friday's low. Definitely lots of liquidity sitting there. If I'm gonna see a nice displacement, which is happening right now, with a fair value gap left open, I might be looking to go short to take out this sell side as a liquidity run, as a low hanging fruit. So the range would be quite all right. As long as I have a 1-to-1 range, it's cool. The more the better though, but actually I'm gonna go with the 1-to-2, because if we go down to the 4-hour bullish order block, then it's a good target still. For me, it seems like it might want to go down there, but we still have to wait for this candle to close, which is 2 minutes more, and then one more 5-minute candle to close. And we need the fair value gap to be left open. So I have to wait. We are
tired of annoying ads disrupting your gameplay.
Oh my god, this was a, sorry guys, this was a advertisement, commercial. I am so sorry. I got, you know, my ears got totally destroyed. I'm sorry guys. Crazy advertisement. All right. All right, so we need this candle to leave this fair value gap open. There. Now it's start to reprice it. So we are just waiting. Great. Now. Nothing is moving. No setups. Candle is closing in 2 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, it's repricing it, which is not good for us. Still have a small fair value gap, not too much. Getting smaller. Okay, it repriced it. So this short is invalid from here. Not looking to jump into shorts. Okay. Nasdaq, S&P doing nothing. That's it for now. We're just waiting, guys. No action, nothing to see here. Not taking any trades. Okay, now finally Euro is making a move. I'm gonna be watching closely on this. Okay. Oh, finally. Managed to complete solitary. Yeah. So great. Okay, this candle is looking good for a potential structure break. Oh, this is not good. The way it closed, I don't like it. Made a structure break, but I don't like it. What's the range here? Yeah, much better. Alright, so there's nothing on Euro. Nothing on Euro, guys. And looks like Pound may want to move up higher. Take out some buy side, maybe. Relative equal highs up there above 27.50. So if we see a nice structure break, the displacement, that would be great. Nothing here on Nasdaq. All right. Still waiting. So I wish I could tell something else, but you know, we are in a dead session for now. The only volume we can wait for is maybe from the stock exchange open. We're gonna checking on S&P and Nasdaq too. Otherwise, we might just have to leave it as it is. So, but we're still gonna wait. You know, let's wait for a potential setup. GU is looking promising to the upside for that liquidity sweep. Could happen, you know. Some good targets up there as well. So, still waiting for a potential setup here. GU, nothing is moving, guys. Nothing. Let's check the US 100, S&P 100. Nothing. Okay, the only potential mover here is pound. So we have to wait. Nothing. At least can you guys drop a like? Thank you so much. All right. Gold is not doing anything. Yeah. Only potential is for volume to kick in at stock exchange open. Maybe gold wants to go down. Problem is for me is that there was no liquidity sweep on gold, so we're waiting. So still waiting, guys. Still waiting. No setups on pound. And no setups on EU yet. I'm just waiting for pound to get down there below. If it does a sharp displacement down to the downside, I might be looking to jump into a 1-to-1 trade if I have a range. That's all. That's all for now. Fantastic. So otherwise, we have nothing, guys. Let's check on NASDAQ again. Just one more time. I mean, US 100, which is actually just a replica of NASDAQ. We have almost relative equal lows here at 14,790. This is a significant level in my opinion. So might be looking to go after that level. Or we have to see something. All right. Oh yeah, we did it again. Yeah. How cool we are. Yeah. Okay. I'm not taking gold without taking any kind of liquidity. What the hell? Oh my god, what the hell just happened here? Sorry guys, this was advertisement again. Jesus. I hate this. Sorry guys. At least we woke up. It was pretty boring. As it should be. Trading should be boring. Don't forget that. All right, now this deck is gonna be super hard. I took the next game on a Grandmaster level, so chances are that I'm gonna fail are extremely high. So we're waiting 20 minutes until stock exchange open. Look at that. Nasdaq is making a nice move. Potentially. Yeah, it has to close a little bit below this to get my interest. We're inside this fair value gap here, which is actually here, but it has repriced this level. Now on the 5 minute, it could be closing with a displacement, which is great. We have sell side down here, last week low, Friday low. Good targets, good targets. To be honest, I would be looking to short into this on US 100, which is the replica of Nasdaq. So let's see. All right, 5 minute closed. We might be into something here. If it's not going to reprice it completely, then we might have a chance. Also, let's check on Nasdaq too. I mean, sorry, S&P, but Nasdaq looks better. So it repriced that range, but now it's going to reprice this one as well. Not good. Okay, let's see pound. Liquidity is right below there. Last week low. Let's check on the brokerage. Fair value gap. I don't know if it's gonna hold or not. We'll see, I guess. Just have to wait and see. The problem is that stock exchange open can give us some headaches. Have to be careful with that. Okay, no headaches because it's repricing it. All right, that's it for Nasdaq. Thank you. No trades there. It's making Making it easy for us today to decide what to do. All right. Guys, this is technically the market is dead. So oh no. I think we bought the, oh no. Not good. Okay, no news. Euro dollar nothing. Dollar index nothing. Oh no. Sorry. all these commercials. Anyway, nothing to do. I think I'm gonna grab a drink until market open. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. No. 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 Alright, be right back. All right. It's just one of those days, I think. What do we have tomorrow? We have Canadian news. No major news tomorrow. Markets are basically dead. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing. Look at gold on the 15-minute. Wow. Well, technically it's good for a structure break. My problem is there's no liquidity sweep. That's my problem here. It's not enough for me. Go short. All right, pound is catching up. This morning it took out previous day high, but we still have some buy side up here. Right up there. Some buy side liquidity. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq for now until we wait for pound and euro, which is actually not Nasdaq. It's, as I said, it's replica or a copy or cheap copy of NQ. It might go up. Yeah, no indication for that, of course. I can't read this. Definitely there. I mean, since New York midnight open, it went lower. So what do we have in terms of, this is the London kill zone, and this is Friday PM session. So we're going to open up inside Friday PM session. And that's the PM session low. That's the AM session low. I just put a line here. That's Friday PM session low. It might want to take it out because there's going to be a gap, of course, in both directions in regular trading hour. Could be interesting. I think we have to be done with Forex anyways by these hours, most likely. Around 10 or 11. 11 at max. Because, you know. How is Monero doing? Let's check Monero. Ah, nice. Nice. Get Monero. Back up there. Very good. Monero is going up. No, I don't think so that I will KRK. I mean, sometimes I do. I like to trade. To be honest, I like to trade PM session, but not with Forex. I was tape reading a lot the New York PM session on index futures. And I do see some good potential in the PM session as well. Although it's slow, so you have to really make sure which movement to take. If you're on side or upside, but for Forex pairs, I think European session is not so good. It's best for index futures, CFDs. But you know, I took some trades here and there on the PM sessions, but now today I'm not sure I will. We will see after market open in 2 minutes how the volume will go, but most likely I'm gonna skip it. On Nasdaq, which is US 100 on most of these MetaTrader brokerages, on US 100 I definitely see some bearishness. Makes more sense to go down and take out some sell side, you know. Depends on how this candle is gonna close on Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks better than S&P or E-mini, but it's not the E-mini, it's just a replica. Today I don't think I'm gonna trade the PM session anyway. We should see some volume kicking in, and then we will see where the index futures want to go, but Still 50 seconds to close on the 5-minute candle. If the 5-minute candle on Nasdaq would close below this one, that would be great. And thank you so much for everyone who is pushing the like button. So great from you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and sub to the channel as well. So if it closes like this, I will be looking for a possible short entry to take out these lows from last week. Actually, last week's low would be a great target. Okay, markets opening in 15 seconds, guys. 15 seconds. Dollar index is getting stronger, getting some momentum on euro. Maybe we will have the structure break, I don't know. Technically we have it now. Okay, markets opened. Nasdaq is falling. Gold, nothing on gold. Toxic min, I don't see anything on gold for myself. Let's check. I have a small gap here. This line right here is the PM session low. It took the PM session low, so it might want to go up higher. On Nasdaq, that is. Alright, let's look at gold. Gold is nothing. I don't see anything on gold. Anything. This is gold. There's just nothing for me here. On euro, it made a structure break, but we have to make sure. Okay, and pound, there is nothing so far. Nasdaq made a move. Okay, now it's repricing. I changed my mind. I think it's gonna be bullish. Why? I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why I think it could be bullish. So this was Friday PM session low, this gold line here. Regular trading hours kicked in, took out this low. So if we get a structure shift to the upside, then most likely we're targeting buy side up there. Gonna be interesting. Not taking, I think I'm not taking any other position. I mean, I would like to take position, but let's check. Let's check. This is euro. Okay, euro is nothing. No fair value gap on euro. No fair value gap on pound. Gold, absolutely nothing on gold. Zero possible entries. Dollar index edging a little bit higher. And US 100 going lower. Guys, no joy, no joy. Hold on. All right. So let's see. This was Friday PM session low. I do believe it has the potential to go higher. Let's check it here. Yeah, almost. All right. Just checking. Guys, nothing on pound so far. I would like to see this candle to close a little bit more below here. And as we can see on euro, well, technically this is a structure break, so no problem with that. No problem with that, but then I would need the next candle to leave this fair value gap open. So we have to wait. Gold, nothing. Still. I don't see anything on gold. If anything, we are inside. Oh, it's not in a bullish order block. Actually, it is. We are inside of a 1 hour bullish order block. Just saying. This. Right here. Bullish order block. So be careful with the shorts on gold. Euro, nothing. All right. This is what I was waiting for. Nasdaq is great. I just wanted to go higher and take out that high with the displacement. And right after it took it out, I wanted to retrace into the displacement. Okay. Nothing, guys. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. S&P looks good. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. Thank you. We had a structure break actually on S&P. So that's kind of a good news, I guess. This took out the PM session from Friday. Gonna be looking for a potential long entry. Lots of liquidity engineered up there. Not gonna force anything. For now, S&P looks a little bit better. Have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Euro is going higher. Pound is going higher. Looks like pound wants to go bullish. Nothing for me here. Only possible entry is maybe on S&P. I don't know. Well, nothing so far. What's the FIP tool tells us? Okay, still in the range. So if it would retrace back down, then we could be having this buy side, which is up there. Some buy side liquidity there. Yeah, it's taking it out right now. 43.52. 52.1, 52.2. All right, we'll see. Still waiting. Not forcing anything here. Seems like forex pairs are just stuck. Gold is at no man's land. No structure shift so far. My best bet would be to take out buy side on S&P right there. Candle is closing. Let's check out S&P on the MetaTrader. All right. Yeah, it's gonna take it out sooner, I guess. So there would be buy side up there. It's gonna take it out. All right, it's taking it out. So that's it. No trade on S&P. No trade on S&P. Scrapping this one. All right, so nothing. Guys, there is just nothing to trade here. Markets are technically dead for now. And I'm not going to force it. No trades, no trades, no joy. And that's it. Okay, no trades, guys. That's it for now. I think I'm just gonna let it go for today because we made some profits in the London session. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining the stream. I'm not going to be waiting for trades because there's just nothing. Forex pairs are dead. Guys, don't take trades on Forex in the New York session after this. Pound and Euro is clearly dead. So no setup. No significant setups. That's it, guys. Tomorrow stream continues on London session. Thank you so much for watching. Made some profit today. So that's it. Check out my Patreon at pip.ninja and my blog. Subscribe to the channel. Some very good stuff is coming on, which includes signal service, technical analysis tools, group servers, stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, we could wait for gold, but I'm not gonna wait for it. So thank you guys again. Have a great trading session. Have a great morning, evening, whatever. And thank you so much for joining the stream. And you know, just have a good time. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully. So, cheers.